You've probably heard of watts, lumens, and color temperature. But what about CRI? If your lights make your room look flat or dull, CRI could be the hidden culprit. Today, I'll show you what CRI is, how it works, and why it's one of the most important, but misunderstood, features of LED lights. CRI stands for Color Rendering Index Scale of 0 to 100. Higher equals more accurate color rendering. Sunlight is a perfect 100 CRI. The benchmark show a quick chart of CRI levels. 70 equals poor, 80 equals acceptable, 90 plus equals excellent. Let me show you how different CRI levels actually look. CRI 70. Dull reds, washed out colors. CRI 90 plus. Vibrant, accurate colors. Food, clothes, art. Where CRI really matters: photography, videography makeup studios and salons, retail stores and showrooms, art galleries, hospitals, kitchens. If color clarity matters in your space, go for 90 plus CRI. Always check CRI on LED packaging or product spec sheet. Don't just trust wattage or lumens. Combine CRI plus color temp plus lumens for best results. CRI may be invisible, but its impact is huge. Whether you're lighting your home or your business, remember, when it comes to color, clarity is everything. Hit like if this helped you and subscribe for more real-world LED tips. Only on LED Insiders.